Hi ServiceNow experts. So today in this video we'll see how can we transfer data from Excel to multi-row variable set. So I have received couple of messages regarding this feature. How can we accommodate in ServiceNow service portal? So today I'll be showing you that demo. So before getting started, let me show you the small demo. I'll upload one Excel and it will automatically feed all the values whatever is available in the Excel. And if I'll come to the Excel, so this is the Excel. I have having two columns, name and title. I have filled, so those all the data has been populated over here. So I didn't click anything, I didn't add it manually, so automatically it appeared once I'll select a Excel file. So how can we do that? So let's first I have created a catalog item where I have one variable called attachment, one is multi-row variable set, and in the if I'll open the multi-row variable set, you can see there is a two field only, name and title. I have only two fields because in the Excel I have prepared only two fields. If I'll come to the multi-row variable set, and this is the one multi-row variable set, I have written one on change client script on this particular field. So on change of this field, my value will get updated. If I'll come here, you can see this is a multi-row variable set. I have written a client script to update the multi-row variable set, and here I am calling a script include. If I'll go to the script include, this is my script include which is getting called. So in this script include, I am getting the parameter, getting the CID of the attachment. So whenever you will attach any attachment, it is nothing but create a record in the sys attachment table in the background. Okay, that CID, whenever you will try to get the value of this particular field, it will return you the CID of that attachment. So once I'll receive that attachment CID, I'll pass it to the script include, and there is some out of the box ServiceNow APIs. By using that, I'm fetching the data. So here you will see I'm creating each row. So whenever I will get multiple row, so in the Excel, while reading the Excel, there are multiple rows is there, 1 2 3 4 5. So this script will execute 5 times this file loop, and it will call this particular function to prepare a data. Okay, so here if you will see row and name, so this name is similar, it should be similar with this one. Okay, and this title should be similar with this one. So if you have multiple columns and all, you can also follow the, if you're having some different naming convention, instead of name you will have fast name. So here also you have to pass the fast name, and here also you have to pass the fast name. So this is referring to this column name. And if I'll come to here, this one where I'm storing the data, here I am creating two objects. Why I created two objects called name and title? Why can't do I might have created, right, name underscore value, title underscore value. We can do that also, but why I did that? Because if I'll show you the multi-row variable set, here I have two name. Okay, in ServiceNow, whenever you will fetch the value or set the value, it will always work based on the name value. So instead of creating extra other names, I preferred creating name and title. I have stored it here so that I need not to write multiple lines of code. Why? I'll show you in the client script what I have done. So once you will call the script include, here you will get the value in JSON one, because I am here I am returning in the JSON one. If you can see JSON.stringify, and once we'll receive all the data, that means whole Excel converted into the JSON. Now if I'll come here, this JSON, here if you can see, I am just doing the JSON.stringify and results. Whatever JSON I am getting, I am just stringifying it, I am just setting the value. That's it. If you would have if you could have used this one, if I would have used, where is that Excel? Okay, if I would have used name underscore y, name underscore final, or title underscore something different, again what I have to do, I have to here traverse my JSON. I have to write a for loop, I have to traverse each and every row, and I have to modify the JSON so that I can, if you will not modify, there is no field in our system, in our multi-row variable set called name underscore final, name underscore x, nothing, right? We are having only one field name, one other field title. So that's why I have created that two, I have given that two name only, which will be easier for us, which will eradicate to write multiple lines of code. And once we'll write this, and this code will execute, If I'll click on remove all, I'll delete this as well. I'll add again. So here it is getting added. If I'll show you one more also, okay, let me save this. Let me download Excel. I'll come here. I'll reload my page. I click on upload. This is the latest one. You can see one more also got added. This is how you can do, but it's a best practice. You should not if your Excel is having more than 1000 or 2000 lines of columns and all, you should not prefer this. But I have also seen people have used data source. They used to pass this Excel to the data source and then again write client query, and that JSON will return the client query. So I'll suggest, if you're having very less data, better to prefer this way instead of doing the data source and storing the rent the staging table, client to the staging table, fetch the data and set the value here. That is a bit complex process, so you can follow this process. And yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching my video.